Welcome to our guide on obtaining a medical marijuana card in Massachusetts. Discover how this path could provide essential relief for those with chronic and debilitating conditions. Massachusetts offers a streamlined process for obtaining a medical marijuana card. Telemedicine appointments make it easier than ever for qualified patients to access medical cannabis. Start by gathering essential documents like ID, medical history, and a passport-style photo. Connect with healthcare providers who understand your unique needs for a thorough evaluation. Transition smoothly from evaluation to obtaining your card through virtual consultations. Conditions like chronic pain, PTSD, and cancer are eligible. Schedule a telemedicine appointment for a thorough review of your condition and treatment options. Upon approval, receive a temporary card for immediate use. Transition to permanent status is seamless, ensuring uninterrupted access to medical cannabis. Enjoy legal protections, financial benefits, and personalized care. Medical patients benefit from higher possession limits, tax exemptions, and priority status at dispensaries. The Massachusetts program offers a comprehensive approach to treatment with legal, financial, and personalized care benefits. A medical marijuana card is a valuable investment in health and well-being. Ready to explore medical cannabis? Schedule a telemedicine consultation with qualified providers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative videos. Visit our website for more details.